everyone and welcome back to my channel. I am Prajvata Gajapos and today I am going to make this absolutely fun makeup video. So thank you so much to Maybelline New York for sending me this secret box. And whenever it comes to makeup, Maybelline New York has been my go-to brand. Be it beginner, intermediate or advanced level makeup lover, Maybelline is the one makeup brand which is absolutely the one for my rescue, and the makeup products which are really comforting for my skin. So me being a beginner level makeup lover, Maybelline New York is my go-to product, and this year my Diwali is not going to be ordinary because of Maybelline New York's makeup products. I am going to get my Diwali glamour look very nicely done. So in today's video I am going to show you how I am going to prep myself up for this upcoming Diwali functions and all. And I'm going to make this video a bit more fun by doing this challenge called as Never Have I Ever. So I'm starting with my tutorial and let's have some fun. So starting with the liquid foundation, I have chosen the particular shade which suits my face type and my skin type. So I have taken 235 pure beige shade. So I have absolutely loved this liquid foundation. Before showing this video to all of y'all, I have tried to use this on my face first, then make this video. So here I'm going to show y'all step by step. So this liquid foundation, I'm just putting it all over my face. Wherever I feel I should make it look a bit more brighter. Yeah. I am applying it everywhere possible. So you can see this liquid foundation has been like lifesaver for me. Like in chunk of minutes, I feel that this liquid foundation is settling under my face, under my skin very perfectly, and to be honest, it is very lightweight. It doesn't make me feel that my makeup is very heavy or something like that. So I definitely feel that this Fit Me range of liquid foundation is absolutely amazing. I would definitely recommend it to you all for your daily purpose, also for your basic use. This foundation, please also note this, that please use your foundation according to your skin type. Like 235 is my shade which I thought is perfectly suits for my face. So whatever is your skin type, please choose a liquid foundation according to that. So here comes the fun part. I'm going to pick up a chip, and first one goes that never have I ever mixed two shades of blush, because yes, I'm not too good at mixing or fusing two shades of blush very properly. I do one and just stick to one particular shade of blush. So I don't take that chance of mixing two blushes. Sometimes I just don't use blush only because I think that my foundation should be the game for my face. So yeah. So moving forward, now I am using this shade of 20 Sand for the concealer. Even when it comes to concealer, please be very precise which concealer is good for your face type. So please be very careful, as I have chosen this according to my shade. So please do so, as Maybelline has variety according to your skin type. So please do so. So I am going to apply it under my eyes, a bit of here. And now I'm going to blend it. Make sure you apply it very properly and blend it well, and not necessary to wherever you feel that you have these dark circles or any patches. So make sure you blend it properly at that side. So it gives a a very finished and nice look to cover up all those patches or dark areas on your face. As you can already see, the concealer is helping and suiting my face so well. So this part I have cleared, and now you can see I am already moving forward and I feel so good with this look of concealer. And next statement for my never have I ever challenge. Never have I ever tight lined my eyes because no, I just feel I can't do it very properly, and I'm not that comfortable doing tight lining my eyes. So never have I ever tight lined my eyes because I just don't feel to do it. I feel that yeah, I have done some part of my eye makeup and I'm okay with it. So now I'll move forward with my one of my favorite products of Maybelline. So this is the foundation. It's Fit Me Matte Poreless. This is normal to oily. Again, I'm telling you that please use your shade properly. So I have taken 25, which is medium, according to my skin type. So here we go. Absolutely loving this foundation as well. See, now you can see how my look was in the start of the video, and now how all these products are helping me to brighten up my face so well, and it does not feel heavy at all. Like I have used a liquid foundation, concealer, and now is the foundation, and it's absolutely amazing, and it doesn't give a very loud look. It is very natural the way I like it. I am a beginner level makeup lover, and this is my go-to. Like now I feel that doing makeup is not that difficult. So thanks to Maybelline. So overall my base is built on my face. You can see it. Absolutely loving the face. You can see this whole coverage. It is very proper and built, very cleanly, very nicely, not too heavy, and keeping it very minimal. It's absolutely amazing. And now I'm going forward with this absolutely very natural, not too body or something like that. The blush, it's amazing. Trust me, when you don't want to become too much and keep it very minimal for your makeup essentials, and you want to just go with natural look, so this blush is absolutely amazing. Please don't forget to take this Maybelline New York Fit Me blush. So this is absolutely very minimal and very light shade according to your face type. Here I'm showing it. So yes, if you feel that you have to keep it very simple and not too much for your blush, Fit Me has got got your back, and this is surely going to help you just like it has helped me. So next one, I'm going to say, never have I ever color corrected my face, because yeah, I'm not too good at it. So I have never done that. I never felt the need to do it. So I thought not to try it. So now I'll just highlight my face a little bit. Now I feel this face makeup is almost done with the blush, highlighter, everything. Now I'm moving towards my eye makeup. Again, if you feel that you want to make your eye makeup stay for a longer time, please I say use concealer, because it does help. And try blending it with your blender and let it settle. so that when you apply your eyeshadow, it will settle in properly because of the concealer's touch in this start. So next one I'm going to say is, never have I ever picked my eyeliner on my own because I am terrible at it. Sometimes when I do it, either this one is proper and this one is not, or sometimes both of them are just not properly equal at both the sides. So I just prefer not to do it. Even if I do it, I just keep it till here. I don't do the attempt to do my wing liner on my own. And whenever I do, I just tell someone to do it on my behalf. So yeah, now I think my concealer is set to give me this look. And now the extra amazing eyeshadow palette which I've got is the new City Mini palette by Maybelline New York. This one. So it has this like 6 shades. So you can use whichever you feel is going to give the look for your face. So first I'm going to use this light shade of it to build the base. I am sure that after using these products, nobody's Diwali is going to be like just ordinary, because these eyeshadow, makeup set, all these products are going to have your back. This is already giving a very nice and shiny look. Now I'm going to put another color, another eyeshadow upon it, which is the brown one. So I'm taking this color to give a bit of darker look. Same I'm going to do on this side as well, taking the lighter shade first. And then taking the darker one, the brown one, applying it over that. So even if you are like not that well in the makeup stuff, but if you still feel that you have to rock the party, or give your festive a better look, Maybelline's products are really good and they have got your back. Just like I am managing my makeup look, even though I am at my beginner level, still Maybelline is there, and I'm sure I'm going to have a better look this year for my face look for my Diwali. So here we go, and I've completed this, and I already feel that somewhere I'm getting a glam look, at least way better than any other products I was using, and I feel completely happy that not too loud, not too much of glam and all. The way simply how I like to keep my makeup thing very minimal on my face. So yeah. So I hope I have made you all happy by this, all these essential things. Moving forward to the next one. Never have I ever overlined my lips, because I just feel I should not make it more bigger. I just apply my lipstick and I'm happy with it. I don't make it extra, because I really feel that I can't make it more obvious, or keep doing it, overlining stuff more and more. I just like to keep it simple, and I'm really ready to go with one stroke of it. So yeah. So now I'm going to complete my eye makeup with this absolutely amazing Maybelline's Colossal Mascara, waterproof mascara. So definitely this is a great add-on if you are a mascara lover and you like that fluffy look, pumpy looks for your eyes. So this one has definitely got your back for your makeup look. So yeah, now I feel that my eyes are looking the makeup is getting completed and I feel, see, you can see the change. I am absolutely loving these products. It is showing such great results on my face and I'm so excited for the festive season to arrive already. Please guys, do not forget to get these products if you are, even if you don't know how to do makeup but you still feel that you can try. These products are for you, just like I tried it and it's absolutely showing these amazing results on my face. And last, I'm going to take this absolutely amazing creamy matte lipstick. Before that, one last. Never have I ever color corrected my face. Oh my god, yes. I have never done that attempt to color correct my face because I really feel that I don't have to do it. Whatever I choose goes well on my product because before choosing, I make sure that goes according to my color type, face type, skin shade type. So never have I ever color corrected my face. So now we are going to complete this look by this amazing Maybelline New York Creamy Matte Lipstick. The shade number is 691 and its name is Rich Ruby. This amazing shade of red color. So I hope you guys like it. I mostly prefer not to use a lip liner because I feel that I can't draw it very properly. So whatever the border I feel I could fill up it, I just do it with my fingers or just do it well with the lipstick itself. So here my look is almost complete. So I hope you all guys enjoyed my video, and if you guys really wish to buy these products, I have mentioned the link in my description below. Please try these amazing products and make your Diwali more glamorous and gorgeous, just like I have made mine using these Maybelline New York's products. So do it right away. If you have any feedbacks for these or whenever you try these products, don't forget to give me your feedback in the comment section below. Also, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for watching this video.